In this video, I will show you how to fix friends list not showing up on Instagram while trying to share a reel. For that, first of all, what you need to do is go to settings. Now scroll until you find apps, click on it, then click on app management. Then from the search bar, search for Instagram. Click on it, then click on force stop. After that, click on storage uses. Here you will find clear data and clear cache. Make sure you click on clear cache. Once your cache is clear, open Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Here check if there are any updates available. If there is, then update your app, and if your app is already up to date, what you can do is go to Instagram, then click on your profile in the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, you'll see these three lines. Click on it. Now scroll until you find help. Once you find it, click on it. Here click on report a problem. Then click on report problem without shaking. Here type out, "Hello Instagram team, my account is not showing friends list while trying to share reels in Instagram. Please fix it. Thank you." Then click on send. After that, wait for 24 to 48 hours and your problem will be solved now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.